Hello everyone, I'll show you how to fix your device is banned on Snapchat. First of all, what you need to do is to unban your device from Snapchat. Is you need to click on App Store from here. This is the first step. We have a few steps you need to apply in order to fix it, and I will search from here on Snapchat really quick. And click on Snapchat from here, and you need to update it from here. Tap on update, and after that click back and tap on the settings from here, and scroll down and tap on general and click on software update, and you need to update your iPhone from here. You need to make sure your iOS is up to date, and click back. And after that you need to make sure as well to have Wi-Fi strong connection and cellular data strong connection, and you need to turn off your airplane mode. And after that scroll down and tap on general again, and scroll down all the way to the end and tap on VPN and device management, and from here you need to make sure VPN is disabled. Click back, and after that tap on general again and tap on iPhone storage again, and scroll down until you find Snapchat. Click on it, and after that tap on upload app and tap on upload, and after that will show up to you reinstall, and tap on reinstall app and to install it again. And after that click back and tap on language and region, and from here tap on region, and from here change your region, and after you change it click back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and tap on reset network settings, and after that click back. And after you click back, what you need to do now is to restart your iPhone. And after you restart your iPhone, and if the problem is not fixed, and if you open Snapchat, will show up to you unban button from here. Tap on unban Snapchat and you can log in. But if you didn't have it and all the steps you didn't work, you need to hold on the Snapchat app and tap on remove app, and after you delete it from here, install it again and log in inside Snapchat. And the last solution for this is you need to open a browser from here and search for Snapchat support. If all the steps doesn't work with you, you need to try this one. Click on the first option, first website, and after that tap on my account is compromised from here on the second option, and after that choose the first option. I think my account was compromised, and scroll down and insert your username, your email, your phone number and description, and after that tap on submit. And basically that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.